Imagine a desert landscape, barren, harsh, unforgiving. Then suddenly a civilization blooms. This is Sumer, ancient Mesopotamia. Around 3300 BC they appeared, seemingly out of nowhere, with knowledge and skills far beyond their time. This is the enigma of Sumer. The Sumerians were not primitive nomads. They were sophisticated, organized. They built cities, temples, irrigation systems. Their advancements were astonishing. Writing, mathematics, astronomy, law, all flourished. How did they acquire this knowledge? The answer, according to the Sumerians themselves, lies in the stars. Their myths and legends speak of gods who descended from heaven. These gods, the Anunnaki, gifted them knowledge. They taught them agriculture, writing, and the secrets of the cosmos. Is this just mythology, or could there be a kernel of truth within these ancient tales? The evidence, as we shall see, is compelling. The Sumerians were pioneers. They gave us many firsts that shaped human civilization. Their most significant invention was writing. Cuneiform script, using wedge-shaped marks on clay tablets, emerged around 3200 BC. This revolutionized communication, record-keeping, and storytelling. They developed one of the earliest known legal codes, the Code of Ur-Nammu. This code established laws, punishments, and social order. It was a significant step towards a just and organized society. Mathematics also flourished in Sumer. They used a sexagesimal system, which we still see today in our timekeeping: 60 minutes, 60 seconds, and geometry 360 degrees. They understood complex geometric shapes and could calculate areas and volumes. These are just a few examples of Sumerian ingenuity. Their advancements in architecture, irrigation, and social organization are equally impressive. The question remains, how did they achieve so much so quickly? The Sumerian creation myth, the Enuma Elish, tells the story of the Anunnaki. These powerful deities came from a place called Nibiru, a celestial body described as a planet with a long, elliptical orbit. The Anunnaki, according to Sumerian texts, created humans. They genetically engineered Homo sapiens to mine gold, which they needed to repair their damaged atmosphere. These gods, depicted with advanced technology and immense knowledge, were not seen as mythical beings by the Sumerians. They were real. They interacted with humans, taught them, ruled them, and even interbred with them. Ancient texts describe the Anunnaki's descent from the heavens and their impact on human development. The Anunnaki, particularly their leader Enki, are credited with giving the Sumerians their knowledge. From agriculture and writing to astronomy and mathematics, these gifts propelled humanity from the Stone Age to the dawn of civilization. The Sumerians possessed knowledge that seems impossible for their time. Their understanding of astronomy, for instance, was astonishing. They knew of planets beyond Saturn, planets that were not discovered until the invention of the telescope. They accurately described the solar system, including the asteroid belt, which they called the Hammered Bracelet. Their medical knowledge was equally advanced. Sumerian texts describe surgical procedures, herbal remedies, and even the use of opium for pain relief. They had a sophisticated understanding of anatomy and physiology. Among the many artifacts left behind by the Sumerians, perhaps the most enigmatic are the carved stone cylinder seals. These small cylindrical objects were engraved with intricate designs that, when rolled onto clay, produced a continuous image in reverse. The precision and detail of these engravings are almost impossible to replicate even with today's technology, leaving us to wonder how the Sumerians created them. One of the most famous tablets produced from a cylinder seal depicts a man receiving a plowshare, a symbol of agricultural innovation. But perhaps even more astonishing is the depiction of the solar system on that same tablet. This ancient image shows the Sun and all the planets in our solar system in their correct sizes and orbits, a feat of astronomical knowledge that seems unthinkable for its time. The Sumerians even called Neptune and Uranus the blue-green watery twins. Modern science wouldn't know of those two planets' existence until 1870, and until the Hubble telescope went up in 1970, the two gas planets were pretty much unanimously expected by scientists to be the same colors as Saturn and Jupiter. Not the colors the Sumerians had predicted. How could they have known this strange fact this over 6,000 years ago? How could they even have a concept of an alien planet with its own sun back then, let alone a concept that the alien visitors from that planet needed to collect gold here on Earth to repair its atmosphere, which was ruined by their industry? Pretty advanced concepts for the first civilization with writing. But hold your horses. On top of all of that, it turns out that using ultrafine gold particles too in atmosphere to reflect radiation is a highly advanced and almost assuredly genuine technique to effect such repairs to a planet's atmosphere, as has been theorized by top Earth scientists in modern times. All of this is so far from believing the stars to be some kinds of lights in the sky, or images of former gods and heroes as so many ancient cultures did, along with all the other inexplicably advanced knowledge they possessed, including of the existence and importance of human, plant and animal DNA. One is almost forced to conclude the Sumerian story of human civilization. But also, now, back-looking me H in the same image, focus in on the mysterious planet Nibiru, which the Sumerians depicted alone far outside the main image as it is traveling in its long 3,600-year-long elliptical orbit far outside the known planets. This enigmatic planet has fueled countless theories and speculations, adding yet another layer of intrigue to the rich tapestry of Sumerian civilization. The Sumerians may have vanished millennia ago, but their legacy continues to captivate and challenge our understanding of ancient knowledge and technology. What other secrets might they have left behind, waiting to be discovered? Thank you for attending Wasamata University. Please like, comment and subscribe to help the one-legged, one-eyed street urchin who runs this channel to pull himself up by his own bootstraps.